Hola, welcome to this workshop of Margarita. We are gonna make a beautiful and delicious strawberry margarita with a twist. My name is Juan Pablo from ChillBro Paletas, the Mexican paletas or Mexican ice creams in Melbourne. Ready guys? This is gonna be awesome. Okay guys, so what are the ingredients for a strawberry margarita with a twist? Obviously, instead of having the fruit as it is today, we are gonna use a strawberry paleta, which is basically made with strawberry. The difference is that it's frozen, so it's so much easier. You're gonna just cut it. Okay, also you're gonna need the basic one for the margarita, tequila, as well as salt or chili salt, depending how adventurous you are. You can go for the chili salt in this case, or we can go for just normal sea salt. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. We grab our paleta, easy to open, simple. Put it in your chopping board. We're gonna cut this into pieces, super simple. Got one, we might make two, why not? We wanna share here with all the crowd. And we got two. So, oh, plastico. We don't want plastic on the ocean, not at all. We got all our paleta crushed, basically. Super simple, you don't have to have a particular way of cutting, just cut them. What we're gonna use is use a jar for it, and we're gonna just go for it and put it inside. Your hands have to be clean for sure. It can get a little bit messy, but you're in the bar, who cares? Have a bit of fun. Use your apron to clean your hands. Twist that bottle of tequila open, most important and most fun. And you need the measurement of your tequila. That's for one, and that's for two. Ah, love the smell. Hands mixer, stick mixer, blender, anything that you have handy at home. Just blend the schwass of it. Oh, guys. I just feel like I'm at the beach. I am at the beach. And let's get this served. Now, super important for a margarita, you want your glass to be scotched with salt or the chili salt. How do you achieve that? Super simple. You cut your lemon. You just get that rind full of lemon. Use a plate to put your salt or your chili salt. And just scotch it all the way. You want that in your glass. If you don't have that in a margarita, it's not gonna be fun. You want it. Now, the moment of truth, the most happy day of your life is when you actually get to have a margarita on the beach. We're on the ocean, we don't want plastic, we just want to use a metallic straw. How do you garnish it? Maybe with a fresh strawberry. Do a little bit cut on the side. And there you have it, a beautiful strawberry margarita on the beach here at Frankston. How good is this, guys? Who wants to try it? I want to try it. Delicious and refreshing. Guys, it's so easy. Just make your margaritas at home. Don't be afraid. Honestly, go to the bottle shop, get a tequila. Doesn't have to be a fancy one. Get any tequila. It's just the fun, the flavor. Use frozen I suppose, but if you can actually give us a call and get a ChillBro paleta made with fresh fruit, why not? It's probably even better. Salud!